Hello everyone, this is Evelyn and today I'm going to do a DIY tutorial on these Dollar Tree candles, and these are the ones that are the glass ones, and the inches on this candle, 7.5 tall. That's how big this candle. Let me show you the finished look that I already did. This is one, and I do it by set. So this one here has, the bling, and this material, I'm going to explain to you about that material. I just love it. But towards the end, I'll try to remember about this material that I got in Craft Outlet. It's a runner for the table. Anyway, I added some more bead blings on this one with a different designs, and this here is a glass bead. I don't have that much. I think I picked it up in the 99-cent store also. And more bling in the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to show you. It's very short, simple. It's a nice gift, especially if you go into a bridal shower, or you want to use this as a centerpiece at the wedding. This is the Dollar Tree square mirrors. You can lay it on top of it like that, and that's a beautiful gift. So let me go right ahead and share with you guys. So how I started first, I cleaned my glass with alcohol, and then I make sure I dried it up really good. And I decided, because I need to make another set of this one, okay? And they might be a part two, because I also want to show you other ways that you can see how you can do this with your bling, because there's many ways of doing this. So hopefully there'll be a part two, a different video. All right, so I'm going to start by wrapping this one, and this is the one with the flowers, okay? I'm going to put the flowers, and I'm going to wrap that around. And start this way. So I just put glue on two of the flowers, because I just don't want to get burned. And these are, from there I can get it started. So much easier for me. Now that's if the glue wants to stay, because once again, I'm still using the Gorilla Glue because I don't want to waste my money on it. Guys, if you're using it, let me know if you have a problem. I've been mentioning that many times, and I still haven't gotten the answer for all that. So I can mix it with E6000, but it's going to take a little longer. So since this set is mine, then I would not worry what is going to fall or not. But if I was giving it to somebody, I promise it would be with, the E6000 with the glue stick. Okay. My boy Dollar Tree, I tell you, so popular right now. I can't believe the things that they are selling. Beautiful things. But they can never replace Michael. Not Michael. They used to have an AC mall. I live in New York, Staten Island, so they took away our AC mall craft store, and I'm so disappointed. But they left us with Michael's. Even though Michael's is pretty good, but AC Mall was my best place to shop, besides the convention they used to have once a year. Okay. Okay. And just press that down, and make sure you go to to the ring of this candle, and then while I'm still at it with the same flower bead here, the bling, I'm going to put one in the bottom also. So easy this way. So what I do is is I'm holding and pressing it down at the same time. I think this is so much easier. And just be careful when you do that because, you know, they have a little space open there and you might get some glue on there and that hurts. It hurts. So just be very, very careful. Okay, just there. And don't worry about the little string that you get from the glue stick. That's easy to wipe off. I use alcohol. Works good. I made yeah, I got like 16 to give up to my family as a Christmas gift, and they love it. They love it. All right, so now I finished the top and the bottom, and I'm gonna go in with, what did I say I was gonna go? How did I do the other one? Oh, this one here. Okay, this is the runner. This is piece of the runner that I got from Craft Outlet. And I'm going to show you, this seems like a runner. I don't know if I mentioned that before. But remember my Christmas tour video that I made? I went to the kitchen and there was a frame. Well, I cut a piece of the side of the canvas and I made like a picture frame. Beautiful. At the end of the video, I'll put that picture again. If not, go watch my other channels. You'll see it. Alright, so I'm going to put this one in the middle, but I'm not going to use glue stick. I am going to use my E6000. And I'm just going to press it down, just swipe it. It's easy for me. Okay, I'm going to wrap this right in the middle center and hopefully got it. Boom! I love when I don't have to do a mistake. I hate it. Guys, my mouth, I tell you, when I talk a lot, I get dry. I have to do less talking. That was a funny one, right? Okay, we just left that little piece there. I'm just going to use my glue stick. And you don't have to worry about seeing the seam over here because you can use a centerpiece, which I'm going to be using soon. Alright, so now that I got that piece of material on there, I wanted to show you, what did I put it with? Just put it, oh, hold on for a second, let me show you something. This is part of the runner that I got in Craft Outlet. Look how beautiful, I just love that design. It looks so woody-like, you know, which is a winter thing. Alright, so now I'm going to take a piece of the, and you can pick this up at Dollar Tree. Now the one I have, this one, I'm not sure they sell them in Dollar Tree, but I went online and I got me like, I think 25 feet long rolls. They sell like a big row of them, so that's why I'm using those. I know they do sell the bee strings at Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is, which I should have had done already, and I thought I did, nope, I didn't. Okay, oh, no biggie, no biggie. No, I'm not going to grab this piece. Hopefully this is the one that is going to wrap around. I just want 2 pieces. Because I do want that material to pop also. Because if I do it almost the same size of the material, it's like a waste. You want to see every detail, you know, the beauty of it. Okay, and you know guys, the fastest way when you want to cut those little strings, they're usually like little strings. I take my lighter and I just flinks it all over, and it actually takes away all that little thread piece instead of taking the scissors. Because I see a lot of people doing that. I just take my lighter and, you know, just wrap it around. All right, so let me put this in the middle. Back and saw what this thing is at. Okay. Turn it over. Watch your hands, guys, please, when you do this. I'm just so used to getting burned. And I do have those rubber fingers, ones protected, but I guess my finger's kind of too small for it. Oh, no, sorry, too big for it. Because I feel like it's just squeezing me out. They should have different sizes. Okay. Like I said, don't worry so much with the seam here, because that's where you're going to put that's where I'm going to stick my embellishment. And I'm debating which one to use. Okay, so now I got almost halfway done. Now on the top part of the material and the bottom piece, because the bling is in the middle, I'm going to cover that. I'm going to use my flat pearl V. Oops, sorry guys. Now I already have it cut out, and this here I picked it also. It was like a big roll like this. I'm sorry guys. If I find the link, I'll let you know. For a good price, it's a lot. It goes a long way. I can't tell you. I think I have it almost like 2 years, and I use it. So I don't let nothing waste. Even if I got the scraps, I use those too. Just never know. And my batteries are going to die out any minute, like always. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is how it looks. I did the flat pearls. I went around. So it can look like this. Now the fun part, which I'm having a hard time. This one here, the original one that I made, I used a glass bead flower. I don't remember what I got it from. I got this from my stash. I don't remember if Michael's or maybe the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. I'm looking for some more. I do have a few left. I was debating, should I put back the glass bead because I think it looks more elegant. Then I found some silver flowers. I kind of like the way it looks, but it's not eye candy to me yet. And then I tried something big. I don't know. These are a spoon flower. I made this. Let me see if you guys can get a better look at this. Let me show it to you. How pretty. I also want to share, before I put the last, I already know I'm going to put, I decided to go with the glass bead, but I want to share with you guys that this is what I made out of the spoons. You know those little spoons that they sell in the dollar store? Okay. If you guys are interested, want to see me do this, leave a comment below, because I like to see what you guys want to see. If there's anything that like you want me to do, or I'd be glad to try my best and do it. Just tell me what you like, and I'd be glad to share that with you. So let me finish with my last. So of course I'm decided to go with the glass bead, flower bead I should say. And then I'm going to stick it right in the middle. Now this here I should have put some, because I don't want this coming out. You see how it's like, now this is the Gorilla glue stick. I know I mentioned this a few times. I know some people are looking, because I do see, by the views, like how many people is looking at the videos. And I wish you could make a comment down below. I mean, it would be nice, to hear from you guys what you think about my videos. Anything. Because I mean, I do see views, you know what I'm saying? But, no comments. But, please do. Don't be shy. You want to be honest, be honest. That's the only way I'm going to learn. But anyway, this is my candle from the Dollar Tree. So, this is something fast and simple to give to someone that you love. A fast, last-minute gift. If you have this around your house, or if not, you want to run to the Dollar Tree, you can make something really quick. Okay, guys? So, That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that black bell for to notify me that I'm back on the YouTube. So thank you for watching and have a great night.